Here we go, playing on the swing that we engineered.
Ow. It's too hard, Grant. You're pushing too much.
I'll go next.
Daisy will go next.
Ben trying to get up the rope swing.
You know what that larva's going to turn into? A giant.
Look at those muscles. Look at the technique he uses.
And it's kind of
Oh, runs. He's running.
And it digs too much.
He's a crazy man. Oh, sounds like a fart. And Ben ruins it for everyone. He killed the rope. Okay, what do I press now?